Forgive me if I'm a little hoarse, friends. I've been screaming at the top of my lungs about this one because this is truly revolutionary. Check this out. Max and I came across this in the Monday morning briefing yesterday. Use Breeze Assistant to create, update, and test custom code workflow actions. We've heard of these kind of updates before. We've been disappointed, but you know what? This one's for real. We built something live. It was incredible. So what I did is I went to Perplexity and said, tell me something you can't do with a HubSpot workflow. And it said that flexible weighted routing is something HubSpot is limited in. So I went to Claude and I said, what should a weighted lead rotation generally entail? And it gave me all this stuff: tenure and ramp status, performance, capacity, specialization. It should be these things. It should follow this sort of calculation. And so I said, give me a prompt. Pretend that you are a sales manager. Don't make it a technical brief. And it gave me this that is deliberately verbose and human. And I also asked it what properties would we need for it to work. So it gave me these bunch of user properties, which I went and created, and also some contacting company properties. And then I came in here, and this is the experience, friends. I opened this. I said, I want you to build a custom code workflow action into this workflow. Can you do it? It said yes. And then I dropped that verbose and human prompt in here, and it said, sure. Where does it live? And so I said, it's on users. And it said, yep, I found all your properties here. I didn't find this one. How do you want to do it? And I said, well, you tell me. We could put it in a property and have another workflow update it, or we could use custom code on the fly in this build. And it said, I'm comparing the trade-offs, and thought about it and said, let's make a custom user property. So I went and created a custom user property. We're going to build that workflow in just a minute. But then it went through and we went back and forth. It asked me questions. How do you want to calculate size? Where should the list of specialties come from? It said you need an API key, so I went and built one. I asked it, what scopes do I need? It told me exactly what scopes I need. So I went and created that. I put it in. I said, can you build this workflow action? And it said yes. Let's see if we save these changes it just made, what it gave us. Look at this custom code. It is built. It is here. The secret is there defined. Here is all the code it has written. Let's make this bigger. Let's take a look. The full screen option is right there. Yeah, look, it's built this code. This looks great to me. Of course, down here we could test it, but it's incomplete, right? We haven't built that 90-day performance one. So let me show you that experience. So this is our weighted rotation. We're gonna do that. Now let's go build a user-based workflow. Sorry, this is a long video, but I think this is just so exciting. Watch. We're gonna create from scratch. We're gonna make this a scheduled user property. How about we do it? I don't know, weekly. That sounds good. Every Monday we're gonna do it. Morning. Great. Next. Oh, wait. Shoot. Oh, how about, I have one that is, rotation eligible. So these are the people, in the rotation. So we'll only calculate it for them. We'll save some energy there. Re-enroll is allowed. That's great. And we will now, maybe in the same chat. Let's see what happens. I'm now in a user-based workflow. Let's build that 90-day close rate calculation. Can you make me another custom code workflow action? We'll see what it says. All right. We want to use, it's asking what should we use? We want to use closed won deals. So we'll say that. I love how it's consulting with me, asking what it should build. Yep, there's all the deal fields we're going to need. And that's how it's going to be calculated. Close won deals divided by all deals closed in the last 90 days for that rep. Sure. That sounds good to me. Of course, we would give this a little more thought if we were doing it for real, but I'm trying to keep this video short. Okay? It's now building the workflow action. And watch this, friends. This is so incredible. It's just going to think for a little bit, and now it's there. It dropped it in. And we're in this preview mode, but I'm going to go ahead and save it, and it'll add it to the workflow. And now it's here. Now I've got this thing, and we can start testing this right away. And it tells me what it built, and we can keep talking and iterating. This is like magic. Custom code workflow actions are a thing that have always been beyond my technical ken, and they've always been this bucket of anything you can't do in a workflow, just custom coded, with no explanation really of how to do that if you're not a developer, don't have a developer. Now, Breeze can do it for you, and it's pretty good at it. So I encourage all of you who have Data Hub and access to custom code workflow actions to play around with this. See what you can build, see how it does. Let me know your use cases in the comment. Let me know what it does well. Let me know what it does poorly. Happy to send all your feedback to the product team. This is one of the most exciting updates I've seen in a while. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions.